So what I have here is a little piece of natural stone, referred to as black limestone, but straight away you can see that it really isn't that black, and a lot of people are actually a bit disappointed when their black limestone arrives and they have their patio laid, and look for a way of bringing out that colour. As you can see, just with a little bit of water here, you can see really how beautiful that looks, and many people, that's what they're looking to create. So we then have a couple of options really, if you're thinking of a sealer, and the sealer will, remember, not only bring out the colour, but it will protect the stone, will prevent algae and other things becoming ingrained into the surface. But normally at this stage for people it is to bring out the colour. So got a couple of options here. This is our natural stone colour enhancer, which works extremely well. So that, as you can see, is very effective and very easy to apply. But as you can see there, it's not a coloured liquid, so it is enhancing the natural colours, but is going to, dependent on usage and weather conditions, obviously it only has a certain lifespan. The other alternative is the product that we're concentrating on here today really, which is our black limestone sealer, which you can immediately see is actually stained. Okay, so it is a coloured sealer. When you put the sealer on, obviously it is bringing out the colour there very well, but the difference is technically it is actually colouring the stone, so you're going to get a greater longevity there. Now the only advantage I would particularly sort of point out regarding the colour enhancer is that if you've got neatly defined pointing, which brings out the joints, if you try and apply obviously a coloured sealer with a roller, there's a good chance you're going to lose that definition, which might not be relevant to you, might not be relevant at all. But if that was the case, you're going to either have to mark off the surrounding grout lines and go very carefully with a paintbrush or a roller, or just use the colour enhanced sealer, and that's really the variation between the two. But with the stained product, you are going to get a far greater lifespan than with the colour enhancer. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, found some useful information there. It'd be great if you could give us a like and maybe subscribe to our channel, where you'll find a whole host of videos to cover how to clean and seal, maintain and protect a wide range of surfaces that you would find around the home.